Sometimes when you're in the losing point, you will be very stressed to yourself. Then you will keep on want to beat the market. So as long as you put a stop loss, the platform put a stop loss, and then your entry point is there. So the rest, you just let it flow at the market. Because news everywhere, every time, now social media so exposed so well. So it can be anytime give you a news, then you change your decision again, then you change your way again. I still remember during this Euro crisis, so that time was nightmare. I was actually invested in the market. So you just keep on short for a few weeks. But from there I learned it won't be continuous that you profit all the way or you're losing all the way.
Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Chat the Charts with IG, the podcast where we explore trading strategies, market trends, and insights to help you trade smarter. I'm Edna, Premium Client Manager at IG, and your host for today's episode. And joining me today is James, who is a client of IG for 14 years now. So James is a seasoned trader who has learned to balance trading with other aspects of his life while refining a structured approach to the markets. Welcome, James.
Hi. Thanks for IG having me here to have an interview share with the topic that I'm trading along the way.
Okay, so let's dive into how James integrates trading into his daily routine, his views on market analysis, and lessons learned along the way. So trading is something that requires a lot of focus and dedication, but at the same time, many traders out there have a lot of commitments like their work, their family, and their personal interests. So how do you structure your day to fit trading into your life?
I try to do most of my trading on my off-peak hours. It's like if during office hour, I try to shorten down the hours, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. So as long as I went into the trade, then I will do a stop point or cutting point or profit point. So then I will pull myself away from the trading market. So at least I can balance, take phone call, share with my topic with all the family and friends. So it to balance my working life and personal life.
Okay, that's interesting. So trading can also be an emotional roller coaster, especially when juggling alongside your other many responsibilities. So would you want to share what is the emotional side of your trading journey like?
Yes. Sometimes really when you're in the losing point, you will be very stressed to yourself. Then you will keep on want to beat the market. How much I'm losing. So last time when I was beginners, I will try to keep on focus the market. But later on with the IG for so many years, I try to pause myself, put it away. So as long as you put a stop loss, the platform put a stop loss, and then your entry point is there. So the rest, you just let it flow at the market. So at least you won't make yourself so stressed. So I also limited to a week, only trade about 1-2 days. Per day is about 1 hour to the max is 2 hours. So if you calculate along 1 week, I only take about 4 hours stress and then equal to all the profit. I think worth to do that.
Okay, so it's like setting up a lot of discipline when you are trying to put up a trade.
That's right.
Okay. IG also has quite a number of tools designed to support traders in maintaining discipline and managing their time effectively. So which of these features do you actually incorporate into your daily routine?
I will read the platform on IG for the news, market news. So the market report times, that's very benefit to me. And then I will look on the chart on the market that the next few hours, how this market price going to be up or down. And then I will read the market weekly news from IG site. So this will help me to determine next week how is the market and then which economic platform or news or company result coming through. So I'll judge that whether this result or maybe of the economic reading or flat the interest rate decision to make noise or the judgment on the market is up or down.
Okay, so when it comes to analyzing the markets, every trader has a different approach. What is your process for evaluating a potential trade?
Like I say, I will beginning all to study all the news since the beginning of the week, like Sunday. So, example, the next week I know that there's an economic of rate going to perform. Either they will increase rate or not increase rate. So I'll choose the market to have a predict that it will up or it will down. Then from there, I'll plan myself how much amount that I'm going to invest and how much profit that I'm going to cut off, and then determine that how much of the appetites I can absorb on the losing part. Then from there, I will do it in the 2 or 3 over basics lah. Then from there, even is a losing end or winning end, I will stop myself and then exit from the market. Then go to my normal routine life lah.
Okay, so that's like putting a lot of discipline on your trades once you decide to enter.
That's right. So it's like every week, if you determine that your capital is about 10K, then the most you spend about 4 weeks, that's 40K lah. That's your appetite that you can absorb. Try not to be maximum or increase on your capital lah. This is how I react lah. So at least you will go long term with the trading that you want. Then you shorten down in maybe 1 day or 2 days, then you won't go into market and lost confidence.
Okay, another question is there's a lot of financial news out there. Some of it is noise, some is valuable. So how do you filter out to see what to act on and what to ignore?
Quite easy and simple. Normally, last time when I as a beginners, I will actually capture all the news. So until lately, I learn when I grow. So some of the news that not interesting to me then I will just ignore away. I'm interested that whether this market had been oversold or overbought.
Okay.
So I was thinking that if it overbought means that the chances were quite high that it will come down. So even any announcement come in, then I will have a profit. Chances will be high from there.
Okay, so you are more of a technical person than more than a fundamental person.
Yeah, that's right. Because news everywhere, every time now social media so explode so well. So it can be anytime give you a news, then you change your decision again, then you change your way again. No point in doing that, you see.
Yeah, more like news overload.
Correct.
Too much information. Okay, yeah. So for beginners, right, they often find it very difficult and overwhelmed to come up with a structured process.
Last time when I start as a beginners, I would like to try all-rounded lah. So even I play short, I play long, even to the trading, even to forex, and even to all the matters. So until lately, this couple of years then I learned you only go on one direction. So you want to let's say you want to trade on index, you better to choose some country that you're familiar, like Germany, Japan, Hong Kong. So when, for example, on Japan, then its opening hour is about 8 a.m. So you have to ask yourself, 8 a.m. you can wake up or not. If you can wake up at 8 a.m., then you trade on the platform. So from there, you only play one direction. So if you choose you in favor in short, then all the way you are playing the short. So if you're choosing in a long position, then all the way you just play one direction. You don't do that. This week, I try to short Japan. Next week, I long Japan. This week, I long Japan. Then your direction will be confusing. Because every point when you go up, you'll come down again. So anytime the minutes or hours, there were a chance that you can short just gain about 20 or 30 pip, that is quite a lot. Profit for per week. So if you calculate that per week, you can profit about 1 to 2K. So 1 month, that's about 8K already.
So your trades are usually held on for a week?
A week, then from a week, then I just close my position. Then from there, I look forward for next week again.
Okay.
So then you watch out your capital, like you are trying to invest this month, maybe 4K or 6K, then you just do it on yourself. Then you're able to survive that to carry on to next week. So if this month you overblow your budget, just like you overspend, so you have to stop it, you see. Then if this month you have more credit, then you have to think yourself how to save this credit for prolong for the next trip.
Yeah, okay.
At IG, we've designed a platform that puts you in control. Fast, intuitive, and tailored to your trading needs. Whether it's forex, indices, or commodities, you'll find everything you need to make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Opening an account is quick and easy. Ready to start trading smarter? Visit IG.com today and experience trading with a trusted world leader.
Okay, so beyond trading, you also run a business. Has being a business owner actually changed how you approach the markets?
Yes, it is. I try to run F&B and property leasing. So when F&B, those product cost is increased, so you can see the restaurant itself, they will increase the product price. So to me, then I'll feel that the inflation coming in. So my trading will be more conservative, that the interest rate going to be up. Then I will take chances that I will actually predicted the next 2-3 months down the road, the interest charge is going to be going up. So just like the same of the property leasing, when you can see the rental is going up, then you will predict that next 2-3 months, the interest rate going up also. So this will build into my confidence that my personal trading, that along the way, it guide me whether the interest rate is slowly going up or gradually going up. So then I can perform well to trade on the Forex like USD short against Japan or Europe. More for hedging purposes, and then more for this to encourage me to actually my personal view that I'm doing right, and then it's correct, you see. Okay. Because this business relationship that you saw on the real picture, it won't be wrong. It can't be the product going up, then interest rate going down. It cannot be the way. So it's naturally you will do along the way that you trade with this relationship, then you guide you along.
Okay, James, do you also find that your daily observations from running a business actually help you form a broader market view?
Yes. If you're doing business, you need to read the daily news. So from the daily news, you will know the impact of the next 2-3 days, how is the market go along, and then did US report certain of the economic crisis or economic news, or in either China or Europe. So from there, you will absorb that it will help your business to see the whole explore into all the market. Then you will judge whether how to perform your trade.
Okay, so every trader has that one trade that stands out. Some is a major win, some is a valuable lesson learned. So care to share one of your most memorable trades? During
COVID-19 times, so you can see that the trade is very easy. As long as they announce that the vaccine come out, then you can see the index oil shooting up. Then all currency going down. So as long as they say that the vaccine is not proof or didn't produce well, then you can see the index coming down. So from there, I will just try to judge on the news that coming out. Then you just buy up. Then you keep on going up the profit. So as long as you short on the market that the vaccine didn't production well or not enough to certain country, and then even some of the country ask for the army guide to secure the vaccine. So then you can see that the index is coming down. Then from there you perform well. So you just keep on short for a few weeks. But from there I learned it won't be continuous that you profit all the way or you losing all the way. So come to the stand, you need to take a backwards that the strategy you need to tell yourself have to be prolonged to go on long term. So just like 1 week, you still need to discipline yourself to make a few hour trade or a few day trade. Then you need to just pull out. So cannot be greedy and cannot be too nervous to the market. So this is something that is I learned along the way.
So do you already set stop losses and take profits level on the onstart of the trade?
Yes.
Or do you do it later?
Yes, I did. Beginning time, I always don't do stop loss. Then I will just let the losing part, paper loss, keep on run. So normally when you have the profit, you won't let it keep on run. You will just take profit, right? Correct. So that's greedy that we have. So now, over the year, I try to fix certain cut loss, like 60%. Cut loss, and then profit 80%. So along the way, that if my trading strategy 10 out of 5 I gain, then is on the profit. Then if 10 out of 6 then it's a great profit. So if I 10 out of 3, that means I just break even lah. So just close the trade for this week. Next week try again lah. Then I will have a chart also to mark down which is the profit that I gain, which is the profit that I lose. So from there, over the journey of trading, I learned that I more prefer on short than I long the market.
Okay, you prefer shorting the market than going long.
Correct.
Okay.
So then I'll just learn from there. Since there's a shorting the market is benefit me, so I just carry this habit lah. So I believe that trading, everyone have their trading pattern. That's called habit lah.
Whichever works for you.
Correct. So you just make it yourself easy. Don't bother your life too much lah. Because anyway, trading is not part of your life. It's just sometimes get a spicer interesting on your life only. So just enjoy it.
Okay, so looking back, is there one lesson you wish you had learned earlier in your trading journey?
Yes, it did. I still remember during this Euro crisis. I think Euro crisis on somewhere near 2013. So that time was nightmare. I was actually invested in the market. Then you know this Germany market is I think it's about 4 p.m. to 12 midnight. So it run throughout. So normally I sleep about 9 o'clock. You see, so because I was watching the market, then I just waiting for the exciting moment. So whether it will gain from there or lose out from there. So every day I will just lost sleep because it influence your life. So after a few weeks, then consulting doctor can't sleep because of this trading. The doctor was saying that you have too irregular sleeping time. So from there, I'll know this issue that actually troubled me. So I put myself up, take a 2 to 3 week rest, break to off the market. Then from there, I enter back. Then I just discipline myself on my normal routine time. Now I think back, if that time I actually just follow my habit to do whatever hour that I like, I can have less headache or maybe less trouble on this situation. So this is the thing that I want to share with other people and other friends.
Okay, so IG offers a range of tools that help traders improve their strategy and execution. Which features have the biggest impact on your trading?
For me, I will prefer to see IG the charge than others platform. So because more accurate and then they can roll down to every hour to every minute. Then from there, I also take the IG economic calendars and then IG the alert, platform alert. And they are useful. The most useful one is the IG weekly news report. Because this weekly report will tell me that next 2-3 days, why is the thing going to happen?
Upcoming.
To see the news how to react to market. Then obviously I also attend most of the IG training class that I will go into because then you can catch out all the different strategy in yearly up to date.
Okay, so many traders choose their brokers based on their personal experience. What is it with IG that keeps you with us?
I would prefer to more in touch human service It's like I join many of the broker house which I don't want to name two some of them even that you call, nobody will exit. The AI will respond to you. You call for help. I got margin call. I need help. I need fund in. Can you help me all this? Then some of other broker didn't react so actively than IG You will be surprised. IG representative react in next 1 minute. So they will resolve this matter for you. And then your margin call will be resolved, you see. Then one of them is I will have some doubt with certain of the trading that enroll to or encounter to. Then I call them. They will explain to me that what's the trade happened that way. Then from there, at least I will correct myself throughout the journey So then IG also have other broking house that don't have, like incentive program, then customer care benefit and recognition. That is all you don't have, you see. I don't see this one is the mask that you do for your client lah, but they really do extra mile to share with you their journey with you, to let you treat it more friendly and to be more in touch with them lah.
So basically, it's the experience that you get with IG.
That's right.
It's easy to contact someone, and the premium client benefits that you get from us.
That's right. That's why I with you all for 14
years, yes.
So I hope that I with you all for 30 more years.
Okay, we hope so too.
Right.
Okay, so we have covered a lot today, balancing trading with other commitments, forming trade ideas from daily observations, and valuable and real-world experiences. A big thank you to James for coming down today and sharing your valuable experience with us.
Thanks you, and thanks IG also.
Don't forget to subscribe to Chat the Charts with IG for more expert insights. You can also visit IG.com to explore IG's platform and take your trading to the next level.